तो जामनगर न सिर्फ ऑयल रिफाइनरी है दुनिया में सबसे श्रेष्ठ, गीगा फैक्ट्री दुनिया में सबसे बड़ी, तीसरी सोलर एनर्जी सबसे बड़ी, चौथी दुनिया का आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और डिजिटल फैक्ट्री भी जामनगर में रहेगी, और पांचवा जो अपने रिलायंस फाउंडेशन का नेचर और कंजर्वेशन का वंतारा है, ये सब जामनगर में रहेगा। और ये एक प्लेटफॉर्म सेट करता है जो अगले बहुत बहुत डिकेड्स के लिए आप सब के लिए, आपके बच्चों के लिए एक ग्रोथ का प्लेटफॉर्म होगा।
Friends, Jamnagar is not just a place. It is the soul of Reliance. It holds a very deep and dear place in our hearts. For Kokila Mummy, it is a Janma Bhumi, the land of her birth, representing her roots and values. She is here with us today, and all this has been possible only because of her Ashirwad. Thank you, Mummy, for everything that you do for us. For Papa, Shri Dhirubhai Ambani, Jamnagar was his karma bhumi, the land of his vision, his dreams, his destiny, symbolizing his duty, dedication, and purpose. Yesterday was Papa's 92nd birthday. I am sure he is showering his blessings on all of us here in Jamnagar. For Mukesh, it has been his Shraddha Bhumi, the land of devotion and respect. This is where Papa saw the big dream of setting up the world's largest grassroots refinery. And this is where Mukesh helped to bring his father's dream into reality. And for our children, especially Anant, it is his Seva Bhumi, the land of his service and compassion. ये जमीन सिर्फ एक जगह नहीं है, यह हमारे परिवार के विश्वास और आशाओं का एक धड़कता दिल है।
मेरे परम पूज्य दादाजी श्री धीरूभाई अंबानी ने एक सपना देखा था। एक ऐसी रिफाइनरी का निर्माण करना चाहते थे जो पूरे विश्व में सर्वश्रेष्ठ हो। 25 साल पहले दादाजी के जीवन काल में मेरे पिताजी श्री मुकेश भाई ने धीरूभाई अंबानी का इस सपना को पूरा कर दिया। आज मैं आभारी हूँ। आभार इस बात का है कि मुझे ऐसे दो महापुरुषों का अमूल्य विरासत मिली है। आज के इस पावन दिन पर मैं संकल्प करता हूँ और मेरे पिताजी को वचन देता हूँ कि मैं जामनगर से जुड़े हुए सभी सपनों को साकार करके दिखाऊंगा। और एक बात, जिस तरीके से मेरे माताजी ने मुझे पशु पक्षी से प्रेम करना सिखाया, उसी तरह वंतारा से प्रेरणा लेकर आप सभी जीव जंतु से प्यार करना, यही मेरा आपसे विनती है। वंतारा ने यह साबित कर दिया है कि रिलायंस पशु पक्षी की भी उतना ही ख्याल रखते हैं जितना मनुष्य का ख्याल रखते हैं। वंतारा रिलायंस के वी केयर फिलॉसफी का जीता जागता उदाहरण है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है 25 साल बाद जब भारत के स्वतंत्र के शताब्दी मनाई जाएगी, जामनगर के गरिमा और गौरव को हम सब मिलकर आसमान की नई ऊंचाइयों तक ले जाएंगे।
Today, as we celebrate 25 years of Jamnagar, I feel my grandfather's presence and miss him dearly. This was his cherished dream, a vision that lived in his heart. He would have been so proud to see what Jamnagar has become today. He would have asked, "Tamne badane maja aave che ke nahi?" And yes, Papa, badane boj maja aave che aje. I've witnessed my father's absolute dedication to making his father's dream a reality. This is my father, Shri Mukesh Bhai Ambani, a man of vision, a man of resilience, and a man of determination, for whom there is no greater duty than reliance, for whom nothing is greater than his own father's dreams, and for whom values are the compass guiding every decision, every effort, and every triumph. Papu, you are our inspiration, not just as a businessman, but as a son, a father, and a human being. Jamnagar and you have shown us that nothing is impossible when we come together with unity, passion, and purpose. What can I say about our wonderful Jamnagar? Jamnagar is paradise, and we're so lucky to call it our home. I still remember coming here with my mother when she started making this township, standing on barren land and watching her work tirelessly to turn it into a green, lush, and beautiful township.
AI infrastructure that we have commenced working in Jamnagar will make not only Jamnagar a leader in AI infrastructure, but will also place it amongst the top ranked in the world. We have already commenced building this in Jamnagar, and we want to complete it in true Jamnagar style in record time, as we have always done in Jamnagar, in 24 months. And on behalf of Isha, Anant, and myself, we commit to you that we will grow Reliance together and make sure that Jamnagar will always be the jewel of our Reliance family. This is our commitment to the entire Reliance family, and both to my parents, my father Shri Mukesh Bhai Ambani and my mother Neeta Ambani. What I want to also say, it is our goal in the new information and technology age to make Jamnagar a leader of the world.
સચોટ સમાચારો સૌથી ઝડપી મેળવવા માટે અમારી ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો.